All right, climate change. What is it? How do we know it's real? And how do we stop it? So these are your questions we're going to be focusing on today. So the first one is, what is climate change? And global warming is the rapid heating of our planet due to human activities such as burning fossil fuels like coal and oil. And this changes the natural atmosphere, creating warmer temperatures that will have a big negative effect on the atmosphere. And the burning of the fossil fuels, burns a lot of unrenewable energy sources in the fossil fuels, and we can't get those back. So we're also trying to find alternative energy sources, which is another thing. And then that will help. But how do we know that it's real? And we have plenty of evidence proving the existence of global warming. And one example is this graph, and it shows that atmospheric carbon dioxide has risen above this line for the first time in many millennia. We also know that the ice sheets are melting in the Arctic and that the ocean is warming, and we just have a lot of evidence proving it's real. So, it is real. And then, so this is a big question. This is a big one. How can we stop it? And there are many ways to stop global warming, and it's the most important thing you can do. And one way is to get your power from a company that uses at least half renewable energy and to stop heating and cooling your house. All the time. You can still clean it, but cool it. But anyway, because that uses the most energy. And the reason why we need to use less energy is because it releases carbon emissions. And it's bad. And even like appliances and making the appliances releases tons of carbon dioxide into the air. And like by tons, I mean like the unit tons, not like just the word. And then another way to stop global warming is to reduce water use. And even in like simple ways like taking shorter showers and turning off the tap when you brush your teeth. That's an important one. And even eating less meat. And it's a good way because livestock farms release a lot of emissions. And another great way is to just ride share or get like a Tesla or a energy efficient vehicle. And that's very important because the less carbon emissions in the air, the warmer. No, the less warm. Yeah. And then, but most important thing though is to do your part. Because climate change is very real. We can all stop it if we try.